Welcome to Juicy Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV test drive in this 2022 Infiniti QX80 Sensory. But before we get going, let's take a look at the exterior. And close the door. You get all your stats right now on your right hand side, but we take a look here at the taillights and the front headlights. Well, there's only front headlights, but you get the idea. Anyhow, yeah, in this POV test drive we're just going to test the headlights and the automatic headlights and kind of see how well they illuminate the road, how quickly they react to traffic up ahead, so we can judge how well this drives at night. And of course, it's nighttime, we just want to have a comfortable cruise, so hopefully this QX80 delivers on that. But if you want to hear all my thoughts about this 2022 Infiniti QX80 Sensory, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the interior, the exterior. We of course drive it and we compared to the competition in terms of full-size luxury SUVs. Without further ado, let's go back inside this beautiful white interior here, and we get driving. Look at the quilted leathers, and it's pretty. You gotta be honest, it's pretty. We're gonna keep one light on just so we can see a little more in the interior, so you guys don't get bored that quickly, because otherwise you just have like a few flashing lights up ahead and it's kind of like, could be a little more interesting, right? So like this, but I can still see enough. Don't worry about it. And I think we are ready to go. Yes, we are. So take a quick look at the cameras here, nighttime. Front camera, front right, front a little wider, and those are the cameras. Put you into menu mode. Okay, let's get driving. Let's put on the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. Turn the AC down one notch. Beautiful V8 noises. Gotta love it. Oh, and during this video, I mostly stay quiet. I'll just kind of chime in occasionally. These POV test drives are mostly for you to see and hear how it is to drive the QX80. Like I said, all my thoughts are in the full review. Can turn on the high beams here in a second. Just pretty simple. Left stock, pushing that forward. And high beams, automatic high beams are on. And here they go, and let's see how quickly it turns them off. Very quickly. It's actually a little too hot for like full heated seats. Do a little comparison of high beams versus just regular headlights here. So let's turn them off, and as you can see, there's like a tree line just up ahead, and with the normal headlights of course we can't really see it. Now that gets a little more clearer. Headlights, high beams, headlights, high beams, regular headlights, high beams, regular headlights. I think they're doing a pretty good job pardon me, illuminating the road ahead pretty well. And of course we got this nice and kind of coldish light that the LEDs give us, which do a very good job at illuminating the road and all the surroundings, obviously. I can turn off the light here for a second, just so you have the full-on experience. Popped the rear screen into place. I fiddled with it earlier, and apparently I didn't quite put it back how it was supposed to be. Good sounding. Hello, dear. Just trying to keep him off the road here. Let's keep it a little slower. Could have been a little quicker to turn off the high beams there, because the car up ahead was visible for a few seconds before it did. Okay, but that concludes our night POV test drive here in this 2022 Infiniti QX80 Sensory. We did also review the QX60 earlier this year. Anyhow, like I said, for my full thoughts and my opinion on this, make sure to click somewhere on your screen right now for my full review. We also have 2 more POV test drives, one on the highway where we test the assist systems, and one in the city where we test kind of the smoothness of the drivetrain in a bit more of stop and go, slow speed scenarios. And if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because we upload videos every single week about all sorts of vehicles. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.